Is obesity a death sentence? Well, let me put it this way. Being obese is like carrying a whole extra person around with you all the time. And that extra person can be pretty heavy, not to mention stubborn. But to answer that question seriously, obesity is definitely not a death sentence. However, it can increase your risk of developing a variety of health problems, such as heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and certain cancers. In fact, according to the World Health Organization, obesity is a major risk factor for non-communicable diseases, which account for 71% of all deaths worldwide. But here's the thing, even if you are obese, it's never too late to start making healthier choices. Small changes like eating more fruits and veggies, getting regular exercise, and drinking plenty of water can make a big difference in your overall health. And hey, if you need some extra motivation, just think about all the money you'll save on not having to buy 2 seats on an airplane.